Hi everyone, welcome to my channel J Jewelry and Crafts. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and like my videos and comment. Thank you. So today's tutorial is all about wire wrapped earring. So here is the wire what I'm using. It's a 20 gauge wire, so I'm using this wire, and it's golden color. I'm using a cutter to cut my wire, and this is a plier, so I'm using a pencil, and those are beads, those are glass beads, and this is a pearl. So let's start our project. So what I'm doing here, I'm just straightening my wire here using my plier. And here I'm not cutting the wire. So here is my black bead. So we can say like 2.5 inches. So now let's start wrapping the wire. So hold it tight here. You can use the chain nose plier here, just do a little bit, squeeze it. I'm using the plier here just to make it a tight knot. So I'm squeezing it again. If it's not perfect, then it's fine. Anyway, it will look good. And it started taking shape. So this is my last wrap. Now I'm cutting the wire here. This is the last round. Something look like this. That's okay if it doesn't look perfect. So here is my pearl bead. So I'm just sliding it on. So I'm just taking this wire and do it like this. I'm trying to wrap it as tight as I can. So you can use here the chain rod plier if you want. So you can wrap one more time and one more time. Here I'm cutting it. Here is my earring. So I'm just straightening out this wire. Now I take a pencil, shaping your wire. Just like this. Now you can cut a little bit here. Yeah. You can use the file to on the same. Make sure there is no sharp edge. Get your round nose plier and just curve it a little bit. And straighten it like this. So now you have a cute pair of earrings. So this is my second one. I'm holding the pencil here now. So just like this. From here, I'm just folding it and checking it again. Yeah, it's almost the same. So now I'm just holding my pencil right here. So like this. And folding my wire like this. So now I'm cutting the wire here. I'm filing it for any sharp edge. That's good. What I'm doing here, just making a little bit curve. So here we go. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.